Hello, today on GOT, I'm going to go from this camera bag to this camera bag, and we're going to show you all the ins and outs and tell you why I'm changing. Let's go. So for a few years now, I've been using this backpack. It's more of a sling pack than a real backpack. It does have another side here where you can click to it and kind of simulate a full-size backpack. But problem with this one has been over the years, it's gotten too small. I got too much gear. And after a certain period of time, I stopped getting gear because didn't have enough room in my backpack, just kind of a silly reason. As you see here from the overview, there's a huge difference in size. So that brings us to the obvious question: is this going to be too big and too heavy? Well, I can tell you right now, it's it's got some weight to it, but it's definitely a lot lighter than my full geared out backpack right now. Now let's go through this, and I'll show you why I'm going to change. Now, my old backpack, real quickly, has been nice and handy, but it's only got this one big compartment right here, which you have to open up, and that's where camera gear goes. And it's very limited. I've got a couple lenses and my camera base. That's it. And then this kind of cheesy Velcro piece here. So not a lot of space, a little bit of a mesh here, but that's it. You know, you've got a couple pockets up here to hold gear, but it's really kind of small. We'll pull this stuff out now because we're going to put it in the other bag anyway. And, a couple spaces for cards. And then down here, there's another spot here for additional stuff. Got me a nice little GoPro here, right here. Or not a GoPro, it's an Instago 360. Extra batteries, more parts, and some more SD cards. So that's really it. I mean, there's one more compartment, I guess, right here on the front of the bag where I could keep my lens covers. So there you go, and my charger. So that's it. That's this bag in a nutshell. So you can see there why I ran out of space really quick, and now it's time to change over to a larger bag. So let me get the rest of this gear out, and then we'll get right with you in the new bag. Now let's talk about this big bag by Holdland. Holdland, Holdland, interesting name. This is a little bit different scenario than the other bags that I've used. This one, you can only access the compartment from the back side, which is really interesting. There's quite a bit to this backside. Of course, you have the real shoulder straps with nice, very nice cushioning here. And then there's this belt here, which is a really nice accessory. And I will talk about that in just a moment. So here, you just open up the back compartment. Oh, first off, there's a nice little side pouch right here where you can put your cell phone if you want to, right there. Yeah, it fits really nice. That's a foldable. So that's great. Or anything else that you wish to put in there. And then, of course, in the back here, you can take and open it up. And when you open up this back compartment, rather large section here, you see here, you've got all these dividers back here, which is really great. Now, this backpack is divided in a couple different ways. Right here is the top, and the top you can access it from the front of the bag. The rest of it down here, you have to access from the back side, which is really nice. So, for instance, let's say you're going to put your most expensive parts, like your camera, your gear body, and let me put this right in here. Or you got a lens, and look how deep that pocket is. That lens fit all the way in there. That is a nice size lens. That's a 4 times zoom, and that is a huge lens, and it fits in there really nicely. Your camera body, and then you get your camera body right here. Put a little cap on it, and you can put this anywhere you want. Slide right in there, and if I need to, you can move all these. These are all Velcro. You can move it. Now it fits, no problem. And then look at all this compartment space. Okay, I've got many compartments for all these different lenses. You can put them in there, and it's not going to lose any space anymore. So you just put your lenses in wherever you decide, and then you can actually put in here. If you own one, you can put in your drone. So it's got a place for a drone, and which I got all this other gear here, but to save time, we're just going to go ahead and show you the rest of the compartments. So right up here, up top, as you can see, you've got these great pouches here where you can put your SD cards. I got an SD card right in there. So you always know where your SD cards are. And then this nice mesh pouch right here. and then another mesh pouch up here, and I actually got some spare batteries in. So there's a lot to this, and you can get all your gear on it and not be short on space. Now let's take a quick look at the front of this thing. Let's zip that up partially, and then look at the front. Going to the front of this thing, flip this thing over. So you got a pouch right here on the front where you stick things in, and you can see that's pretty deep. My hand, it comes all the way to the edge of this bag. So that's a nice, really deep pouch there. And then you've got another flap right up front. Open this thing up, and this is where you can get to the top deck of your compartment. You can't get to the inside very easily without going through all that Velcro. So here, if you want some quick things to grab, you can put them right there, which makes it really nice. And then you have another mesh compartment right up top where you put mesh items, and it's just crazy all the stuff that you can put in here. And there's also two big pouches right here for your computer or say your iPad. So I've got a 15-inch laptop here, a Surface laptop, and then right here I've got my iPad. This is 11-inch iPad with it, keyboard and everything. Fits right in there, everything nice and snug. So there you go. You could not only take photos while you travel, but you could edit them on the go as well. So you can see I've shown you how versatile this thing is. It's just crazy what you could fit in here. And then, of course, strapping it on just like a regular backpack. But the coolest part about this is this belt right here. This strap belt actually goes around your waist, as you can see here. It's padded really well, but it goes around your waist. And then when you use it and you're out on the go, and what's really cool about this is these come up on your side, as you can see here in the video, and you unzip these things. And then when you unzip them, out comes this pouch that actually is really deep. And you can actually take a lens with you and put it in there. And it'll actually hold the larger lens. So let's say we've got this one right here that we want to take with us. We can put it in the pouch as well. Now, there is more to this belt than meets the eye, and that is you can actually remove it from here because you see it slides in a pocket, and you can remove it and just use the belt and leave the bag back at the car. Well, why would you want to do that with all your gear? Well, because you got these gear pouches right here where you can put your extra lenses in and different pieces that you might need while you're out and about on a specific shoot, and do all that without having to carry this nice heavy bag. Now back to the bag real quick here. As you can see, it's got this really nice louvered mesh bended back to help prevent sweating. And I can tell you, I would do a lot of sweating carrying a bag like this. And because it's so cushioning, it's there for comfort as well. There's another feature of this bag we don't want to miss. It's actually at times two. In other words, it's got a pocket on each side. You can hold a water bottle. It also has a strap on both sides, so you can actually hold your tripod. So check this out. You slide your tripod in there, stuff it in the pocket like so, and then you want to just go ahead and tighten it down. Tighten the strap down just by pulling on. And now your tripod is right there with you. Put it on your back. Here's the greatest part of it. It's not sticking up over my head, so I don't have to worry about snagging on doorways or any branches or anything if I'm out hiking. So that is a great feature. From your laptop to your iPad and all your camera gear, you'll never find yourself missing that exact lens or piece that you need to get the job done. Now you can find all the gear in the description down below. I've got links to all of it. You get the bag, and then I believe the belt is also an accessory. And of course, you get better deals when you buy it all as a bundle. So I hope you found this video informative and found that this is the right case for all your gear. Until next time, have a wonderful day. God bless.